Well, welcome back to this very special edition of Valley Spotlight. I know, how did I go from B Squared in downtown Youngstown to board band with these two lovely ladies? The magic of television. Kelly Warren, Sharon Moser, Kelly Warren Associates.
Yeah.
Sharon Moser. Hello, Youngstown. Meet Sharon. She's gonna make sure that you get $10,000 to move to Youngstown. That's overselling, and that's not even remotely true. But there is a piece of that puzzle as to why I was really excited to have you guys on the show for this. Really, welcome back. Always. Tell us about Sharon.
Sharon's one of our favorite loan officers. We love working with all the local loan officers, but Sharon is somebody who knows what she's doing and gets stuff done, and she loves the local community. So we thought we'd share a little bit about this at home in Youngstown grant.
Yes. Sharon, welcome.
Thank you so much.
You are calm and collected and cool and all of those things at this present moment. But I will tell you what, when you hit the button, when you are passionate about something, that's you when it comes to this.
Yes.
Take me through the process for people that are interested in becoming a homeowner in the city of Youngstown, because that's a big deal.
Absolutely.
A big decision.
Absolutely. Yeah. Purchasing a home is your biggest investment.
You think?
So Youngstown was fortunate enough to be given money during COVID or from COVID, and they set aside this $5 million for home buyers. It's called the At Home in Youngstown Grant Program, and it is really a great opportunity for folks who want to purchase a home within Youngstown city limits. And the easiest way to know if the home qualifies, because really that's the only qualifying factor, is the home has to qualify.
The property itself.
Property has to qualify. And then obviously the buyer has to qualify with the lender, right? But then if they qualify with the lender and the home qualifies within Youngstown City, they get the grant. Easy, right?
$10,000.
$10,000.
When we're talking about that kind of money, for people who maybe are looking to be a first-time home buyer or maybe something different, that's a huge amount of money.
It is. With that amount of money, a lot of buyers could get in almost no money down, no money out of pocket.
Right. What's the holdup? How much money is left? Where do we stand right now in the current city of what the state, what it is?
Yeah. So like I said, they were given $5 million originally. We had a town hall meeting maybe a month or two ago that I attended, and I think they're just over $2 million awarded. So we've got $3 million to go out this year.
Yes.
Yes.
Registered for a free furnace, right? Twin. Also, and then.
So, it's just a great opportunity. Like Kelly said, they really could come to the closing table with nothing out of pocket, which to purchase a home with $0 out of your pocket, where you could use your own money for furnace, for furniture, appliances, the things that you might need to fill that home with. It's a great opportunity for our community.
How do people get more information from you, from the lenders, from people who are the ones that you need to have these conversations with, because it's not everybody?
Right. So unfortunately, I do not have access to those funds. No, this minute. We're working on right this minute. Right. We're in 2025. We're hoping January 1, 2026, we will have access to those funds. So there are approved lenders currently. From what I understand, it's local banks and credit unions have access. So the prospective buyer has to get pre-qualified from the lender. And then they will work with Catholic Charities to do a home buyer education, which will then allow them to get that $10,000.
The fact that she's not even able to access that money, and there's so much passion that comes from this, I just want people that are watching our show to know that that's where it's coming from. And we appreciate the knowledge and the wisdom and the advice and the enthusiasm for what could be and what is possible. And Kelly, lots to come in 2026. I think we're out of time right now.
Yeah.
She has a beautiful successful run, and now we're out of time, but so much in this property itself in Boardman coming up, and lots to do with your agents in 2026.
So much.
Anything else you want to leave our Valley Spotlight friends with for this week?
Thanks for watching us.
Yeah.
Tell it. What's the phone number? Call or text.
717-2689.
KellySoldit.com.
Sharon, thank you. Thank you.
And go Youngstown.
Yes.